In front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Start by launching two apps you wanna use in this view in the background. To do that, click on the first one, tap on Home button, click on the second one, and click on square button, in my case at the bottom right corner, to access background apps. Once you do that, select one you wanna use on the top half of your screen. Let's go with Chrome. Tap on the icon of it available at the top. And when you see this pop-up, select split screen. Now tap on the second one and enjoy using both at once. If you wanna resize them, hold this line in the middle and drag one you wanna make bigger. If you want to go back from this mode, you can either go back into background apps and swipe them, or use the same line to drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on Home button to close the remaining one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!